Alright folks, here we are. A slightly warmer but slightly breezier day. Fishing has been pretty poor, but I like the fact that I just saw a couple bluegills, so that's pretty sweet. I don't get it. I'm getting bites. Nothing hooks up. Woo! There we go, finally a fish. And a good one. A nice little fish. Oh, he's a fatty. Look at this guy. He's got to have something in him right now. Let's take a look. Good fish. Woohoo! And I'm completely spun around here. I am so sick of the wind. I am done with the wind. Okay, my guy, I'm gonna let you go. Thank you so much for playing. Big splasharoo. It's about time! Coming at me? Yeah, he's coming right at me. I was gonna say, holy cow, he's not a, oh, he's a little fish. Oh my God, he's so small. Little guy, wrapped up in the weeds. Hi, little guy. Wow, look at me hauling here in the window. Yikes.